Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about some introduction and classification of nitrogen containing functional group, that is amine. This is the syllabus of SYBSE semester 3 amines. We have already discussed this. What is an amine? Amine is nothing but a replacement of one or more hydrogen atom of ammonia by any molecule, maybe an alkyl or allyl group. Amines can be found everywhere. In nature, can be found in proteins, can be found in vitamins, alkaloids, hormones, or in synthetic way it can be prepared in lab in forms of polymers, dyes stuff and drugs. Let us look around some history. The two biologically active compounds, namely adrenaline, which is an hormone, and an ephedrine, which is a drug, are both containing a secondary amino group. This increases the blood pressure. This is a prime example. Here, this is the structure of adrenaline. This shows how amines are very important in our life, in our body. Again, Novocaine and Benadryl are the two drugs. Novocaine being used as an anesthetic in dentistry, and Benadryl being an antihistaminic drug. Both have an amino compound. Again, quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. Diazonium salts, which are very widely used to develop or to prepare or synthesize variety of aromatic compounds, including drugs and dyes. Classification of amine. Amines are classified basically in primary, secondary and tertiary form. Replacement of one of the hydrogen in ammonia will give a primary amine. Here you can see a primary amine with nitrogen and two hydrogen. It is bonded with two H and one R. When two hydrogen atoms are replaced by an R or substitution, such structure is known as secondary amine. Here you can see that two bonds with nitrogen are with R and one bond with hydrogen. And when all the three hydrogens are replaced by any R group, all the three R group, then such amines will be called as tertiary. This is also known as 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines. Further, these are also classified as quaternary ammonium salt. Here you can see the ammonium halide. This reacts with R to give a tetraalkyl ammonium halide. Mind it, nitrogen can bear a positive charge. Nitrogen can bear a positive charge. These are the examples you can see of quaternary ammonium salt: tetraethyl ammonium chloride, tetraphenyl ammonium iodide or tetramethyl ammonium bromide. Everywhere nitrogen bears the positive charge. So this is one of the classification. Over and about 1 degree or primary, secondary and tertiary, their amines are also classified as quaternary salts. Further, amines can be classified as aromatic and aliphatic amines. As the name suggests, in aliphatic amines are such amines in which the amine functional group is attached to an aliphatic structure. Here these are the example of aliphatic amines, where the amine functional group is attached to aliphatic side chains. So this is the primary amine, this is the example of secondary aliphatic amine, and this is the example of tertiary aliphatic amines. Aromatic amines are further classified into two categories: aryl amines and aryl alkyl amines. Aryl amines are such amines in which the amine nitrogen of amines is directly linked with the aromatic ring system. These are the example of aromatic amines. Aryl alkyl amines are such amines in which the amine nitrogen of amines is linked with aromatic ring system through a intermediate alkyl bond or alkyl structure. So here you can see it is linked with a CH2. So here also This is an example of aralkyl amine where aromatic ring system is attached to amine via some aliphatic bridge. This is the end of session 1. In session 2, we will continue for further classification of amines.